today's gold analysis on weekly time frame, we have this level of resistance for the price. As you can see, we have candles with shadows from upside showing that the buyers are getting weaker near to this level of resistance, and it is a bit dangerous to have some buy scenarios here for gold price. And also the important part is RSI, or relative strength index, is showing some lower lows for the price, okay, and the price itself is making some higher highs. It is a divergence, okay, so divergence, resistance, and we have two actually reasons to enter sell position, and also three, because we have candles with shadows from upside, and the fourth reason can be on our daily time frame. With the break of this trend line to the downside, as you can see, we have several touches on that. With the break of this trend line to the downside on daily time frame can be our fourth reason to enter actually a long-term sell position on gold or xauusd. As you can see on daily time frame, we are in this channel, but with the break of this channel to the downside and closing a candle below this on daily time frame, not any other time frames, because it can be a fake breakout. Like if you want to draw this in the daily time frame and enter in the 1 hour time frame, it will be a fake breakout and you will lose money. So we understood that we should wait for this trend line to be broken to the downside, that we can have our fourth reason to enter sell position. Let's check 4 hour time frame to see what we have. Let me close RSI. On 4 hour time frame, we had this trend line for the price, which was broken to the upside. In my previous analysis, I told you that we can have a buy position here with the stop loss in the lower time frames somewhere here, and we got our risk to reward for somewhere here, okay. But the market touched our trend line in the weekly time frame or daily time frame, then it started falling, and also we had a triangle there on 1 hour time frame, which I have cleaned that, and that was broken to the downside. We entered sell position with a stop loss above the candle, and we got our reward. And also I told you that we have this pin bar on this trend line showing that it is actually a signal to enter buy position, so we entered a buy position here with a stop loss below that, and we got our reward somewhere here. But right now on gold price, we have some illogical movements which I cannot understand, and especially on 4 hour time frame, I don't understand what is going on. But we can actually draw a trend line like this, which we can wait for it to be broken to the upside and enter a buy position on 4 hour time frame. But on 1 hour time frame, as I told you in my previous analysis, we had this trend line. I told you that we can enter sell position with the break of it to the downside, so we entered the sell position here, but the price started going up and touched our stop loss. So right now on 15-minute time frame, let's check what we have. On 15-minute time frame, we don't have anything special. We can draw some support and resistances, but I don't want to do that right now. On 5-minute time frame, we have a special thing, which is our trend line here, which is broken to the downside somewhere here, so you can risk here and enter sell position with a stop loss above the candles and look for your reward. On 1-minute time frame, let's see what we have. On 1-minute time frame, we have this level of resistance here. You can see the price gets near to that and makes some dodgy candles, and it starts falling, okay. But we also have this level of support here too, like this one. The price touches that and it is going up a bit. But on 5-minute time frame, I told you that we have this trend line which is broken to the downside. We can have our sell position. If we recorrect our trend line on 1-minute time frame, it will be something like this one. Then you understand that these trend lines must be broken in their time frame. On like it is for 5-minute time frame, it must be broken in the 5-minute time frame, and in a body of the candle must close below or above the candle. It depends on the position we are taking. In this one, we should see the body of the candle below the trend line, that we can see it is a breakout to the downside. But you can wait for this support to be broken to the downside on 1-minute time frame and enter sell position with more safety and with your second confirmation for sell position. Okay guys, it was all about today's analysis of gold or xauusd. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments too. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.